What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So pag-usapan natin ngayon kung bakit may monopoly. Okay? Kung maalala nyo, merong ginawang game, okay? Na, ewan ko kung si Richard Pole na din yung bawa yung monopoly na tinatawag na yung parang real estate business. O kaya yung parang maglalaro kayo ng mga kaibigan mo. Ang ganda nun, okay? Tapos merong lalabasan na monopoly. Bakit may monopoly? Okay? Dahil sila ang may solution. Okay? Kaya, merong manipulation or may monopoly, okay? Dahil sila nga ang may alam at may solution sa problema mo. Alam niyo ba na mas madaming problema kaysa solution? Kaya if you are if you are true entrepreneur, okay? Kailangan mo mag-solve ng problem. Dahil you need to give value first before the profit. Yun na naman, if you want to buy this book, read the Facebook page official in the description. May silang po kayo. Salamat po and God bless.